A very good morning to you and welcome to the Morning Outlook Report. I'm Rachel Jones, live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now the ASX 200 is expected to fall at the open this morning, and that follows a volatile trade on Wall Street overnight. The domestic market would also be under pressure due to commodity stocks as concerns over a looming recession have overlapped a demand crunch. Yesterday, commodities such as gold, copper and oil all slipped. The latest ASX futures suggest that the Australian market may open 63 points or 1% lower. Now looking to some business news from this morning now, and Synlait Milk has increased its forecast base milk price for the 2022 to 2023 season to $9.50 kilograms of milk solid. That's from $9. Now, there's no change to the forecast base milk price for the 2021 to 2022 season, which remains at $9.30. CEO Grant Watson says, based on the current dairy commodity prices, we believe that $9.50 is a balanced forecast for the 22 to 23 season. The forecasted lift in milk price reflects an improved outlook for the 22-23 dairy commodity prices following the recent recovery in pricing and also the current strength of the US dollar. Moving on, and property developers, the Sunland Group report the company is on target to achieve net profit after tax in the range of $92 to $98 million. Now that's in line with the market announcement that was released back on the 17th of February this year. This follows settlements of a number of material transactions since that announcement. Proceeds from these transactions have repaid the group's debt facilities for working capital and project developments. Directors are also pleased to declare a fully franked special dividend of 30 cents per share, which will be paid on the 28th of July. And Alkane Resources reports its Tomingley gold operations in central west New South Wales has exceeded its financial year 2022 production guidance of between 55,000 ounces to 60,000 ounces. Now, Tomingley has met or exceeded guidance in every year of its operation. The strong 12-month performance at Tomingley was underpinned by above forecast mined grade from several areas, as well as great flexibility by the team to overcome the impact of adverse weather and also problems from COVID-19. Now, the group's unaudited cash, bullion and listed investments position at the 30th of June totaled $124.3 million. Well, now it's time for a very short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With Kalkine TV.
And welcome back to the Morning Outlook Report. Now, US stocks rebounded slightly after dipping sharply in the early trading session. And that follows their closure for Monday's holiday, which was their Independence Day, July the 4th. So over in the US, the Dow Jones slipped 0.4%. The S&P 500 was up 0.2%. And the Nasdaq advanced 1.75%. Investors will be closely eyeing the release of the US Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank's monetary policy minutes from their latest outings, along with June's US payroll numbers, which are scheduled for Friday. Over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 2.7%. The FTSE dipped 2.9% and the CAC was down 2.7%, with the DAX ending 2.9% lower. Rising recession fears have weighed on oil prices. Traders fear that recession may curtail demand. Concerns have only been compounded as Norwegian offshore workers started a strike yesterday that would cut down oil and gas output. WTI closed down 8.24% at $99.50 a barrel. Brent finished at $102.77. That's down 9.45% on the day. Gold prices were also weighed down by a strong US dollar. Spot gold fell 2.3% to $1,767 an ounce. And yesterday, Dalian iron ore futures surged, with the market advancing for the first time in 4 sessions. The commodity advanced on expectations of lower US tariffs on Chinese goods, even as concerns on global recession limited the gains. Meanwhile, Bitcoin remained virtually unchanged from the previous session at over $20,000. Well, that's all for our Morning Outlook report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.